Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki don tok say him government don start the construction of water stops for various riverine communities across the state with plan to take launch the state water transportation system next month. Obaseki yarn this when he dey address stakeholders for one tok section for Edo State Regional Development and Benin City Master Plan for Ovia Southwest Secretariat for Igobazua. Ogbonge people wey tanda for the stakeholders meeting na Secretary to Edo State Government Osarodion Oge Esquire, 7 commissioners, permanent secretaries, market women, youth, religious and traditional leaders, National Union of Road Transport Workers and the Hausa community, among others. Governor Obaseki kon tok say the transportation system na very important aspect of the state master plan and say the water transportation system go start with 3-passenger boats for the riverine community. Obaseki kon still tok say the state regional development and Benin City master plans wey e meet dey expired and na why dem need another plan.
Today, I come see una for Ovia because we don start since they go around Edo State with this our master plan for Edo. As una know, they say those who fail to plan, they plan to fail. And God no go let us fail for Edo. When una elect me as governor for 2016, I entered that office. I know say the people before me, they try. They do work here, do work there. But what I not see, what I not meet, I don't meet plan. I don't know how and why they do what they're supposed to do. The last plan, when we see, when we do, when they implement for Edo, and the one our Papa Samuel Ogbomodia do for 1972. And when we say master plan, not be forever, not for period. Normally, you will plan for one generation. From the time they born this pikin to the time marry, now one generation. Usually about 25 to 30 years. So the plan, when I meet, don't expire. That is why many things look jaga. You don't know how one thing connect with another. Or how one road leads to another. Whether factory supposed to be here, whether school supposed to be here, how you link with each other, we don't understand. So for the last 7 years, with the power, I don't try to work for Edo. I don't listen to una. Una talk to me, I understand. Now, my time will soon finish. I will soon leave una. But I not go leave una. The only way I not go leave una, now make I leave a plan for una. To say this is where we dey go, Edo. So that anybody when come after me, una go say, now this will be agreed with Obaseki. We say by this time, this school will don't come here. By this time, this community is supposed to don't get water. By this time, this university is supposed to don't expand reach here. So we will get plan for every area of Edo. That's the one we call regional master plan for every region, for every area. So for Ovia, we know, say, this now the land size of Ovia, it's not going to increase. The land not going to expand, not going to grow. How we will manage this land? God create Ovia in a certain way. He put forest here. Ovia they inside what they call rainforest. So any plan, anything when you do, when you don't respect the fact say Ovia na rainforest, you treat Ovia anyhow, you cut tree, you not replace. What will happen, only God know. And with the same now, part of what they call climate change. And you know good, if our forefathers, leave this place for us. Wetin we dey leave for our children? Our population dey increase. As it increase, na so more people go need to eat food. Wetin be the plan to make sure say our people not hungry? Una see wetin dey happen for Nigeria today. Small thing, e be like say without dollar, we no go fit live. Everything na dollar, 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 dollar. Before, abeg, na so e be. Everything when we dey eat, na here we dey grow am. The surplus we go sell. And nothing when this Ovia land no fit support. No plants. Nothing. Look at the waterways, this Ovia River. You take this Ovia River or go past Gele, go past the entire to Benin River, Bight of Benin. Now there Oyibo from come more than 500 years ago. This waterway now, only small boat, 90%, because it only silted up. So what thing we they do now today, they say, they develop master plan, we go cover every area of our life. But we don't fit do them alone for Benin. Now I say, make we move government, come up there. To come and let you know, say, this is not what we they do. Any area when they worry una, any concern, make we talk. So that we go add them into this plan. And before I finish, I leave office, I will take and go House of Assembly, we go make a law. We go make a law. Because as God do am, there's no inch, no land for Ovia we don't know with the Siam. We get them for our office for Benin. Because since 2016, every dry season, we can get aeroplane when they fly over, they take picture of all our land. So we get a picture of every inch of land in Ovia. Government don't know everything. Government, they rely on una. That means the government is supposed to dey work for una every area. Pikin when they never born, wetin government plan for the pikin be? Pikin when they just born, wetin we have plan? Pikin when this primary school, wetin be our plan? Pikin when we go secondary school, wetin be a plan? Because that pikin no be accident. Once they born, you know say don't be citizen. Abi? He go chop. He go school. He go grow. He go graduate. He go get hand work. He go marry. He go born pikin. Wetin be the plan? But government alone no fit do am. So make we sit down, make we talk. Ovia is blessed. Ovia is too blessed. How we go use this plan, this blessing when God give una? So that by the time the next generation come, they not go hungry. Then we don't start to make Ovia like any other place you go see for Europe or abroad. You know, go get one person when you go get hand work. Because we're supposed to get plan for that person. You know, go get one community when rain will just fall, you carry them, come on, they're not going to reach there. Because we're supposed to don't plan for those kind of things not to happen. Or waiting we go do when those kind of things happen. Ovia Day inside Nigeria. When you sit down for Ofosu, or you sit down for Kada, or for Bogui, every day traffic, motor they come from the rest of Nigeria to pass through. Not be so that they see them. As the traffic they increase, what will be the impact on us? What will be our plan? We just sit down like a stranger. Every day motor they pass, they look then they blow smoke for our face. What will be our plan to take advantage of this traffic when they pass through Ovia?
Secretary to Edo State Government and running mate to PDP governorship candidate Osarodion Oge Esquire for in talk say before for Edo State, things they organized sake of our forefathers planned the state, but now it not be like that again. Now why this government won't start this master plan where go make Edo State they planned and organized?
Nobody they wake up in the morning and think of how the day will be. Nobody. they wake up in the morning, he won't go farm, he won't plan how he dey prepare. What do they here for? No government can finish the work in 4 years. No government can finish it in 8 years. But we must plan. We must plan. And when we don't agree for that plan, any government when it come, when not follow, we're going to ask questions. I mean, if there's no plan, which person will ask the government? When we develop, if you enter any community, you will see government office, which is the council. After that, you will see hospital. After that, you will see school. Don't be so. After that, you will see police station. Then later, you will see market. Why we can't change? Now, because they plan on those days, 90s be like that. Today, we will sell land. No provision for police station. No provision for hospital. No provision for market. Once the community don't grow, wahala don't come. Government, come give us school, wait the land. Government, we get primary school, one secondary school, wait the land. All this we talk now to plan our state, our communities, so that even after us, the people when they come after us, they will get what they call working plan to follow. It is for our own good. We have done a draft regional plan, but it is for you people. If you are not involved, will you work? That is why we say, we don't prepare this thing. They will take around. They will own them. We come with our own plan, with our document. Tomorrow, we'll never say to be here for 30 years. But it's only for 30 years. That is how it should be. Tomorrow when somebody else comes, he don't follow that plan, but the next of two to show down. Say, my brother, see what you do now. Why you not before wrong? You don't do like that. Like I said before, no government can finish all the work in one day. But a serious government like one that can plan for the future, to lay plan that the future government will follow. We are here to say that plan, to make you understand it and own it. So that when the time comes, the governments that will come after us do not follow it. Do not question the answer. It is your responsibility to make sure that once this plan is adopted, the whole government, every government that comes, will abide by the plan.
Edo Commissioner for Roads and Bridges Ethan Uzamere tok say planning dey very important as e dey vital for development, and say Governor Obaseki with this plan don leave long-term plan wey other administration go fit follow.
For the master plan, for what our ministry dey do na to design different roads, and we dey design roads based on the specification of the area. So like we talked before, say one of the problems we get with planning be say, because of for Edo. Wetin we don't see, many people don't, many people they come and do. So with the when they call influx of people, even for every place, so even for our Obiawo with this, we don't say we get more people, especially for the agric area. Many farmers don't even migrate come inside of here. So we don't need to change the way we do most of our construction for here. So we don't start what we call policy work. Say so even for in the future, when they want even construct for area, they will say, okay, how many people they stay for here? How the erosion dey for there? If water fall, where water they stay before we even do road. For our master plan, how it concern now, we will develop what they call balanced transport system for inside the state. So help our people they transport each other easy. Then we will improve the linkages in the city centers. One of the vision of our leader, Mr. Governor, say we do a lot for inside town. We do a lot of inner connectivity roads. So we embark on more of those kind of roads. And we will do balanced regional development in all the senatorial districts. So what that means is that we will go different senatorial districts to see how we want to develop their roads. for inside the master plan, we get what we call quick wins. Say what we just want to quickly do. So we say we want to asphalt by this year, end of this year, at least 25 kilometers of road. Then for what they call medium term, we want to asphalt at least 115 kilometers of roads inside Edo. Then long term, we don't, as a ministry, we don't design about 360 kilometers within the three, around the whole Edo. That is Edo South, Edo Central, and Edo North. So when new government come, they will look at that design, they will adjust the design how they want to move forward.
Commissioner for Physical Planning, Urban and Regional Development, Isoke Omokon talk say the master plan will be 30-year development plan for the state. Don dey broken down into 5 years to take create opportunity for reassessment for the implementation.
Wetin make us come here today? For you to see say the whole Edo government waka comot for Benin of here today, the matter get as e be. Abi no be so? We not like as we be right now. Wetin happen? In those days when Oyibo man come, they come see Benin Kingdom. They write say they go where they civilized. Say Benin fine pass Portugal where they from come. E dey for record. So wetin happen? Wetin dey do us? We not supposed to dey live the way we dey live. Nowadays, you go see place where dem plan, say make school dey. Before government reach there, where the land, they don't sell am. They plan police station. Before you reach there, where police station? And here in there. No. Good. Okay. You know, see naturally for our house, where they be, you know where water they go. Naturally. Because God don't create am like that before. Those like our floodplain, our natural drain. And in those days, when we build many houses, go this place make road pass. I mean, alive. And nowadays, if I buy land, I will go back my neighbor to cut small for you, make a fee pass, go my house. Because they don't sell the roads. Place where they won't put industry, they don't sell now. Because you know, say government money, it never reach. Even if they give us 1 trillion today, it's still get what we go do. Because where we want to reach, it never reach. We want to make sure, say, as of here they so, we know so that they for agric. I be they like, when they for agric, now that be food baskets. But the food that they produce, not even that they eat up. We need to see kind of go sell for that, be not lie. So where the road where we go take pass go? Where we dey? Industry, where we want be, where we dey? Many of them we don't say there. Some places say, even the elders, and no get better than no vessel. Where we now what now? Some places, even I know get, we not let them talk again. What's the coming? Now they don't go this side. Now we get town. Because Edo full of young people, our body they hot. But you go make it enough for good thing. Because we dey see television, many of us get TSTV, Go TV. When you watch a Boma land, you come outside, you go see roads, you go stand, motor go come, you go enter, you go supermarket, carry your pikin, go back, go sit down for Jangolofa, enjoy yourself. Now so life supposed to be. And government get to do those things. But we need to make sure so we understand, say, we could do it with plan. If we don't plan, wahala go dey. I been alive. So our physical land, you know, say our land need to grow. If we don't plan now, where we suppose put things, we not go see them there. We go to complain, government. Now all of us be governments. We just choose one person to lead us. So we need to tell ourselves the truth. Say, okay, yes, we don't make some mistake, but maybe we stop. Maybe we put things the way we like them. So that as with every part for Edo, go get the value where they're supposed to get. But now they're supposed to get agric estates, supposed to get place where if you farm, they're going to go process, carry and go sell. You understand? People go, they come here, there's a place there for us to do things. When government ready and government ready to do somewhere, we say, okay, we want to put so here. We want to put one big agric university. We will say we get the land. Many times of this they come, where they won't put them, it's not there again. So we need to talk to ourselves. Let me come here today. And this is our 30-year plan. You know, say 30 years na long time. Abi? Na long time. So inside the 30-year plan, we still break them into 5 years. To make sure, say every 5 years we go look at them again. Abi this thing still dey work? Abi make we change am? For example, if they come find gold now for Ofia, say people go start gold mining. So if that place suppose be police station for we go rearrange, abi na lie? We no go say because na police station we no go mine the gold, we need the gold now. Abi no be so? We say okay, train wan come pass here now. Make things dey carry things dey go. We need to make sure say we plan am. And the good thing about am is say we go dey check ourselves.
For one talk section, some stakeholders from Ovia Southwest and Ovia Northeast come do talk with the governor and officials from the Ministry of Physical Planning, Urban and Regional Development to make sure say their interests dey captured for the master plan.
Hey, want to come in? What we talk about? I want on my own. I mean, the only time, I have a wagon there. Oh, talking about I go do go out. There, may not be one. I have an opportunity to tell you. As the commissioner of works of this government, now we are so on again. It will back who will go and come on road. It goes a street. I mean, I know one of the again. That borrow pit, I may one of one. But when I hear that, you are political, you are political. Now you are blocked. I may not eat there, and you may not allow way. For the first time in history, Morale number 2, no go police. Epa no ka bo wa kebe ona ga Mr. Gwako me na azele first time we ya we caterpillar na agri group money ona 5,000 aya we caterpillar na agri group money asada time na ije na ni a we aseba ona do ma seba ni ado ni ma I may even be that I may tell you, we are blocking here. The ocean sheet behind the Google market. Only now, no give back. If you now don't want to be not the old official now. If you not take it out, we go about the one I'm retired. Here we not get that. Allow or not today, I'm making a weapon. I know what it is, I'm making a weapon.
Just recently, just talked about the Ovia River where we can harness the potential of fish farming. I want to add that please, if it is also possible for us to use the length of our Ovia River to turn into a sort of a tourist hub. It is not only walk. I think after work we should also relax. So if it is something that we can do, if it is doable, please let us have a tourist hub along all the length of our Ovia River where people can also relax and also chill at that.
All these master plans, agriculture, here and there, they are very fine plans. Concerning the river right, which I will say, the government is not putting into consideration in governance. I will say it because we are saying that we are neglecting. Now we have 2 roads. These are Udo, Nikoroa, Ofunam, Ajakrama Road, which emptied into the natural boundary between Edo Delta. And we have another one from the same Udo, Ureze, Igwelao, Igwekaki, Agbado, Madagayu, Belebu, down to Safarogo. This road maintains Edo-Ondo boundary riverine. Are we not blessed? So this road will bring a lot of wealth, and people are running away from them because they are seasonal road. We want this road to be tied so that everybody can go there and market. Even you can cross to Delta and come back, cross to Ondo and come back. And people can take their goods to the water side and empty them into the boat. They take it to the far end of Nigeria, even to the end of the back of Benin. The same thing at Safarogo, which we take them to Ayetoro. The roofs are there. We are born and brought up from there. So, my governor, sir, how can these roads can be tied? Not grading. Grading does nothing. Even do more harms. What you are doing there, over there, when the rainy season comes, all these big vehicles, when they pass it once, they are being dug off. It's useless. So we need tarred road.
There is this saying in Ijaw language. I'm an Ijaw man from the same Obia Southwest. I am the current community chairman of Ajakrama community. So I'm representing Ekwema people as a whole. They say, person went somewhere they pay. Now you go show doctor, make it treat. If you ask any Ijaw man where he dey inside this bush, if you ask him his first problem, now road he go tell you. If he not tell you the road, not be Ijaw man from that place. So we are seeing that with the effort of our comrade governor, he is trying to fix things in order. He has started maintaining the road. He has even approved a stone jetty for our communities. I want to thank him for that, but at least I want him to consider us so that our road should be maintained. As my elder brother said, it should be tight road so that everybody will be feeling the presence of government in Edo State.
Our purpose here today is to come and let you know what we have started to do. If to say plan day when I become governor, the question today for me, how far you don't go with the plan? Not be so? So let us today note that before I leave office, we must create a master plan for Edo. So that people who will come after me must come back to you at least every 5 years to tell you how far they have gone with the master plan. We have to create a master plan that is your own. A master plan where you have inputs. Because it's only when it is your plan can you hold anybody responsible for them to implement for you. So I don't hear Una. I don't hear all the things Una say. The point I want make is say, we now need to go back, make sure that all our concerns, all the things when they worry us, must be inside that plan. Make not be saying that so complain. Make we agree, say, okay, riverine areas in Obia Southwest, very important. GIS, show us from your map the locations. This plan must make sure, say, within this period of time, this road must be built. This road must be built. This road must be built. But you cannot say this road must be built if you also do not plan where the money will come from to build the road. Otherwise, now one-legged plan, now we will get. Planning is total and comprehensive. Every citizen must know. As soon as I don't come now, can't talk about the opportunity. Let we put that opportunity in the plan. So that any person when come campaign, you say, okay, Governor, first, you need to dredge this part of Obia River and create beaches in this area. It is in the plan. How are you going to do it? Abi? Oga Commissioner, you are representing us. You cannot come back home if you do not make sure that at least this percentage of what is supposed to happen by this time does not happen. Because Nigeria be as it be, because now we let them be like that. We too like to, I don't say we like to enjoy. Everybody want to go heaven, but nobody want to die. How it will possible? It is only when you are ready to die that can you go to heaven. But if to say we dey behave like that, our politicians, we politicians, we for not dey do una the way we dey do now. Because we know say no consequences. But now with the plan, with the awareness, you will hold us accountable. That is the only way we can develop. So I don't fit answer all of the questions because the question will continue. But make I leave una with this. First, Ovia is blessed and blessed by God. It is now the responsibility of Ovia people to now work with the government of Edo to see how you can take advantage of the opportunities in Ovia. Now win-win, because if we are able to develop Ovia, Edo State will make more money. Not be so? So, not be say government they do in a favor. Government they also doing themselves a good one by making sure say they develop.
Make it no forget say, as we see na so we dey talk we know they take blame. From Ovia local government area of Edo State, Balumi Mukoro, TMT TV News.